Are you thinking of switching carriers? Let's break down Spectrum Mobile versus T-Mobile. Fast, simple, and to the point. Now, Spectrum Mobile runs on Verizon's network, which means excellent coverage almost everywhere, especially in suburban and rural areas, while T-Mobile has made huge improvements in the last few years, now killing it in cities and suburbs, but rural coverage can still be spotty in some ranges. Spectrum Mobile keeps it very simple. $14 per gigabyte if you're a light user, or unlimited data starting around $30 to $45 per line, depending on how many lines you have. But you must be a Spectrum Internet customer. Now, T-Mobile offers a more various, just a bigger variety. Essentials, Magenta, and Magenta Max, all with unlimited data. Now, plans start at about $50 to $60 for a single line, but if you get perks like taxes included, streaming benefits, and no requirement for home internet. Now, T-Mobile's Magenta Max gives you truly unlimited high-speed data with no throttling. That's a win for heavy users. And Spectrum's Mobile's unlimited plan can slow down after 20 GB, and hotspot speeds are limited. T-Mobile offers hotspot data with full speed caps on premium plans and extras like Netflix, in-flight Wi-Fi, and international roaming. Spectrum Mobile offers basic hotspot access, but the speed is capped, and there are no real bonus perks. Now, both let you bring your own device or buy one. T-Mobile is known for decent customer service and a feature-rich app. Spectrum Mobile's service is average, and you're mostly dealing with Spectrum reps, not mobile specialists. So, go with Spectrum Mobile if you already have Spectrum Internet, you want Verizon coverage at a lower price, or you're a light to moderate data user. And go with T-Mobile if you want true unlimited data with no slowdowns, you like extras like Netflix, hotspot, and international use, and you don't mind paying a little more for flexibility and performance. Spectrum Mobile wins on price if you're already in their ecosystem. T-Mobile wins on perks, data freedom, and coverage in metro areas. Your choice depends on what matters more. Costs or extras, plus performance. If you liked this video or you thought it was helpful, give it a like. Let us know in the comments what else you'd like to see from us, and also subscribe.